Welcome to this session. Today we will discussing about the how to create the properties in the administrator console and add to the document class. Okay, so let's log in the ACC. Okay, expand the objects to and open the doors. It's for development. After that, expand the data design. So in the data design, last time we have discussed about the classes. So there are the three types of classes. It's a document, folder, and custom object. On today, we are discussing about the property template. So what is the property template? Property template is basically it's a property which we can add in the document. Okay, let's say one example like the I have created a one property. It's a name, and I need to attach this property in the document class. When I attach this property in the document class, and after the attachment, when I create one document on that document class, so on that time he's asking for the name of that document property. Okay, so on that time we need to fill that uh, name name property and create that document. So on that way we can create the multiple properties are there. Okay, multiple properties it means one document may be having some unique values. Okay, so that's why we are creating the property for the purpose of put the values of that uh, put the values of that variables or the properties you can say like the name, what is the name of the person, and what is the age, and what is the birth group, like that thing. Okay, so by the way, firstly, we will create this property. So how we are creating one property. So just right click the property and click on a new property template. So after that, when you clicked on that, it's asking for the name, means for the property name. It's a display name. Sorry. Okay. So the display name we can put as per our preference, like what the property we want to create. Okay. So last time we have created one class. It's a sales team. So we can create a property with the name of the sales group. You can say sales name I am putting, and after the name I am putting the sales. Or the sorry, I'm changing again. Team name I'm putting. What is the team name? Okay, so when I click on the outside after putting this name is the symbolic name and the description it's auto taking. Click on this, and after that it's asking for the data type. Means like suppose that in the Java when we are creating one variable. So during creation of the variable, we need to put the data type. So it's maybe the string, it's maybe the int, it's maybe the long. Okay, so like that. So the similar thing is also here. So the property name we have put, but after putting the property name, it's asking for the data type. Okay, so in the data type, we can put as a, for now it's a string. Okay. So in this, after putting the string, then click on a next. And after that, is it are we going to assign any choice list here? Choice list is basically it's the list of the values. Okay, like you can say in some website there are some drop downs are there. Okay, so on that time we can't means put any value or any size for preference. We just need to select any one drop down on here. So like that choice list is work on that basis. Okay, so as per now we'll just click on a next and so that's the main thing. Single or the multi values. So in this variable, we will put as a single value or we will put as a multi value. Multi value means it's like a array. So but the team name is only a single name, so that's why we are selecting as a single. The things you can take as a same. So after click on a next, just check the values or check the things which you have selected or the put which you have entered. And after verify, just click on finish. So what is the team name we have created? It's a what is the property name we have created? It's a team name. So click on finish and it's created. So now the property is the created. So how we can use this property? So for the using this property, we need to go to the one class, one document class, you can say. In the custom object class, in the custom object also you can use the property. But for now, for taking one example, we are taking one example for the sales team. So in the if you click on the properties definition. So after clicking on a property definition, there is a add button is here. So click that and search the property name which you have created. It's a team name. Team name. See, this is the property, and the data type is a string that we have created, and this is the unique ID. Select and click on OK. See, after selecting and click on OK, the property you have selected, it's visible here. That's maybe the possible. Once time you can select the multiple property. Okay, and click on OK. Then the all the property which you have selected, it's visible here. Okay, and after that, click on a save button. So it's maybe taking time around 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so means the property it attached here in this class in the sales state. So how we can use this property? Okay, means till that we have done means firstly we have created one property and attached this property in this class. So now we are going to create a one document. So where we are going to create this document inside this ABC and the sales team. In the sales team, till that it's all empty. So just right click the sales team and click on a new folder. This new folder you can create also from the navigator. Okay, that's the navigator screen is the best for this, but for the better understanding and the details of the ACC administrator console. So we are firstly doing this thing from the ACC. So the document title, it's the you can say test one, test one sales. So on here we need to select the right class here. So clear the document and select the sales. That's the class name. And after selecting this, just click on a next button. And before clicking on next, just check this with content. Are you having any content? Then you can select this. Other than uh, just uncheck this checkbox. After that, click on next. And the one more thing is there. If you need to check some details about the document title and the classes, there is a I button is there. So just hover the mouse is here. So it's some details will show the unique name of the document and the class. Class is basically it's a class description. Okay, so click and scroll down on the property name to learn about more the property template. So if I'm clicking on here, so it will route to the IBM website. Actually, it's a sport website of the IBM Knowledge Center. Okay, so this one we will see later. For now, we are clicking on the next button. So after clicking on the next button, we are going to attach one document here. If you're having the file in your local system, then you can click on a file name and browse. If you have any URL, then you can click the URL and put the link here. Okay, but for now, we have one file in our local system. So we are going to attach this TIFF image. Click on after attach the image, just click on add content. So after clicking on add content and click on OK, so see this file name is shown here. So you can, if you want to remove this file, then just click on select this file and remove. Other than we can go proceed further. Click on next, and after that, these are the some properties are there. If you have any property details, then you can put see this team name property will see here. Okay, we can able to see the property name. So in the team name, we can put as a sales. So as per this team name, we can attach the multiple property here as per our need. Okay. After that, click on the next button and see this thing. If you need to know about some understanding on here, just click on a I. After that, it's showing some save the first version of new document as a reservation. Still checkout. You are continue to work on the reservation, saving it as you go, and check it in when you are ready. So like this thing, you can see the details of that action. So no need to do here. Just click on the next button. After that, if you need to select some expiration date, then you can select this permanent date, infinity. Other than this option, the default, we are going with the default options, which is already selected. Click on the next button. And after that, it's asking for some policies. If you have the some storage area, then you can select it. There is some two storage area. It's shown DSA and default storage area. And after that, storage policy. What is the storage policy? You can check these details. Uh, Security policies, life cycle policy, replication group. And after that, if you have any details, then you can select. Other than just click on the next button. Okay, so we have done the all these things, and just the verify the options we have selected. Document title, this and this test one sales class name is the sales team, and all these things are there. Team name that we have created this new property. We have put one value. It's a sales. So after that, just click on a finish button. See, created test one sales. The timestamp is showing here. If you want to check the more details about this, Then you can click on open and see the details here. And that's the property we have newly created and attached in this. You can see the detail in the property section for this. It must be shown here. Just check. We have created the property. It's a sales team name. Sorry, the property name is the team name. You can check in the bottom. See in the bottom, you can see the sales value we have put on the team name property. Okay, so this is the versions. So how many versions till now it's created? Till that it's one version is created, minor and major version. Only one is version is released, and the content means the attachment we have uploaded here. The file size is the 18 KB. Okay, and now we are closing this. So you have seen means how to create a one property and how to attach the property with the class and means how we can use this property when we are creating a new document. Okay, so these things we are using as a means we are created in a document class. So if the same property if you are using in the custom object, then you can also use. So for that you need to go the data design and classes. After classes, it's a custom object. So the one custom object we have created ABCCO. So I'm going to attach this uh, property name, team name property inside the custom object class ABCCO in the property definition. So just click on a property definition and click on a add button. So after that there is a filter. You can search the property team. So just type the team and it's shown here. So if you want to select the multiple document, just click on a control and select one by one. See now all these three property are selected. And if I'm going to click on OK, then all these three property are shown here. But we need only the one property, team name. So other two property we can remove here. So just select these two property and click on a remove button. After that, just click on a save because the other two properties we have removed. Only one property we need, team name. Click on a save button. It's taking two to means 5 to 6 seconds only. Yeah, it's done. Click on just refresh this. Yeah. So the team name is shown here. Data type is the string. Table name it's a generic. Okay. So uh, now we are going to create a one custom object by using this class. So for that we need to go to the browse root folder, and inside this the last time if you remember we have created one folder. It's a custom object. If you right click in the if you right click the folder, you can see these options: new folder, new document, new custom object. So the custom object we are going to create, click this. The contentment name means the document name we can the custom object name that we are going to create, you need to put here like just one custom object. So in the class section, you can use the class one where you have add the property. So in the ABCCO class, we have added this new property. So I have selected this. After that, just click on the next button. So after that next button, it's asking for the two variables, two properties, custom object type and the team name. So the team name is the property which we have created. So we need to put the team name. So just we are going to put as a sales or something. So the team name is the sales custom object. Okay, means team name is the sales and it's for the custom object. Okay, so the above one also we can put any name, but this is not the compulsory. If you have any values on there, then you can put, other than leave it blank. The same thing we can use as a by default. Click on the next, and after that overview the details of this custom object and click on a finish. See, you can see the timestamp. It's created custom object name. You can open this and check the property value which we have put. Scroll down. You can see the team name property we can see here, and the value we have put is the sales CO. Okay, that's all guys. Can wrap up for today. Just thank you all. See you soon.